Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing Git on Windows. Whether you're new to version control or looking to expand your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of installing Git on a Windows operating system, covering everything from downloading the necessary files to setting up configurations. Visit the Git website and download the latest version for Windows. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the installation steps. Once the installation is finished, you should have Git installed on your Windows machine. Visit the Git website and go to Documentation. You will find commands. If Git is installed properly, this command will display the installed version of Git. And can get help by command git help. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.